Hello my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome to my channel GL Love Manwa. Just Friend. Chapter 7. I always thought was pretending in front of Cha Manju. You are the one. Gets up. Because back then she took me home against my will. Who could leave me at any time? I would never do that. Grab. What? How can you be so sure of that? You could get bored of me after marking me. I am afraid of that. I am afraid that you will abandon me. Tearful. Because I like you. Because I love you too. Hye-yoon reaches out. If you are worried about it so much, then I will die if that happens. What? When the couple dies, the marking disappears. Kiss. Shocked. You. What are you talking about? I'm serious. Shiver. She is. Not kidding. Just by the look in her eyes I can tell that she is not lying. Anyway, it makes no sense to live, if it is not by your side. That's how much I love you. Whether you are an omega or beta, I don't care. Even if you were an alpha like me, I still would have fallen in love with you. Those things are not important to me. Caress. How can you be so sure of that? Because I have always wanted to share my life with you. I've always wanted to know everything about you, even the little things. I thought it was unfair how I hadn't met you earlier. So the remaining time we have left, I want to spend it with you. To tell you the truth, I'm scared. Who in this world would love me as much as you do? Thinking that we'll stay together forever is an absurd and arrogant dream. But, to be honest, even I want to be with you forever. You love me. Yeah, are you sure that you will love me forever? Nods. Absolutely. If you betray me, I will kill you. With my bare hands. I'm okay with that. Squeezers. I'm not kidding, I really will. I love you so much that I wouldn't mind. You're hopeless. Yes, that's why you will have to stay with me. Dummy. Plop. You can't escape now. That's fine, Don T. Hold back. Unbuttons. Shock. I'm dying, but I don't want to do it here. Then WHERA. Bite. Let's calm down a bit and go home. Yeah, alright, let's go home. Hye-yoon, I can't take it anymore. Come here. Manju, you look very beautiful, you know. Hye-yoon, wait, your hand. Manju, why is your body so hot? It's like when I was in heat. Hye-yoon, tell me again that you love me. I love you. Again, one more time. Yeah, yes, I love you. You were finally able to say it. We have long ago crossed the line known as best friends. How much longer will you hold out? Is it because of the heat? She is lasting more than usual. Her body is too hot, she needs to calm down a bit. Cha Manju, wait a minute. Lean on. You should at least drink some water. I don't need water. Stroke, wait, I'm just going to the kitchen. You are being too much, no, don't go. Let's finish this first, okay. How many more times do we have to do it for you to calm down? Swish. She smells so good. You can't be satisfied just with that. We can do something even better. Murmur. No, no, it doesn't matter if it's not. My beloved song Hye-yoon. I love you, Hye-yoon. I will always take care of you. I will not let anyone else steal you. So, are you okay with all of this? Stop playing dumb. I know you like song Hye-yoon. Well, yeah, that's fine. Really. If they love each other so much, what else can I do? I guess Hye-yoon Sunbae wasn't my destined person. Again with that destiny. What about you, director? Step. What? You'll leave those two alone, right? Do you think they will listen to my advice, after they have already talked to each other? What I need to think about now is how am I going to explain this to Manju? Why? Sits down. I wanted to get rid of Song Hye-yoon. Do you think she will forgive me for that? But in the end everything worked out. It's not only the result that matters. The truth is that I was a bit surprised. I didn't think Manju was in love with her so much. Even if she no longer has pheromones, Song Hye-yoon is mine. Thinking about omegas just as a means to have children. Maybe it was just me. Grin. Do you remember what I said before? What? When I asked you if you believed in destiny. Didn't you change your mind after seeing those two, director? No, I don't think so yet. Turns. Really? Well, I don't think Manju Sanbe is mad anyway. You think so? Well, can't you see how I stopped this from getting crumbled? Anyway, I'll solve it somehow. Toss. And if you still insist, I'll explain it to you. EXLAIN what? That in reality you have been worried for her all this time. So that Manju Sanbe will know that in reality it wasn't because you hated Hyun Sanbe. How can you say that when you don't even know me? At first, you thought that HAYOONSUNBAE had fallen in love with me and you got upset. That was because you thought Hyun Sanbe would always like Manju Sanbe, right? And since I learned that you are Manju Sanbe's cousin, you are not sincere, just like Hyun Sanbe. Writer note, here Seora meant that Hyun and director have similar experiences when it comes to Manju, i.e. unable to be upfront about their feelings. Well, I'm leaving. I hope to see you again sometime. What just happened? Are you okay? Ugh, my throat is a little dry. I will bring you water, wait for a second. Kiss. Okay, should I clean up? The room is in a mess. Fall out. Oh, lift up. What is this? Don't see that right now. But what is it? Open. Wobble. Don't tell me this is. I wanted to give it to you in a more nicer way later. Wah. Ahem. Can I read the letter? Hold the rings. Yes, Hyun, you have had a hard time because of my stubbornness, right? From now on I want to fill your life with happy things. Just trust me and I will make you the happiest woman in the world. Since the first time we met and even now, I love you forever. Manju. Hyun, would you like to be marked by me? I will protect you forever. I'll take care of you more than anyone else. I'll make sure you don't regret choosing me. What if the boss doesn't accept it? Papa can't refuse. We made a bet. Kiss. Hyun. So, what happens if the president objects? Manju, then they will have to kick me out of the family. Shocked. What? I can take care of you even if we leave this house. I already told you, you are everything I want. I do not need anything else. Chuckle. Yes, that's correct. You have always been yourself. Unlike me. Why are you wearing sunglasses? Look, is there a problem with that? No, I was only asking. Hey, shocked. Chuckle. You can take them off. We're inside anyway. Really? Swollen. PFF'd. You're laughing. Didn't laugh, no. I stare. Nervous. Here, put these on. Hyun, come on, take them. So you can stop looking like a frog. Touch. Do I look that ugly? No, but, Hyun, blush. Come on, put them on at once. You're the best in the world. Peck. So she was crying much because Song Hyun accepted her. By the way, I owe you an apology too. I'm sorry. Hyun. No, there's no need. Director, I was quick to judge you. That was wrong. I will invite you to a meal later and also to that hobby of yours. You mean Seora Sanbe Pong? Yes, Shin Seora. Did I ever tell you her last name? I thought you hated US or something. Why? Because every time we came to see you, you looked annoyed. What do you want me to do if my face is like this? I don't really hate you, Song Hyun. It's just that I hate recessiveness in both omegas and alphas. Because I'm recessive myself. It can't be compared with what you went through, but I have been through many things as well. That is why I planned and developed this experiment. I thought it would be better to live without pheromones than to be someone inferior. So when you said you wanted to be beta, I accepted because I really thought it was a good choice. Of course, I also had my own hidden intentions, and for that I apologize. I'm really sorry. Hyun. No, everything is in the past. Nothing happened. Abashed. Grin. Chuckle. Well, good luck talking to my uncle. Yes. Hyun, did you really confess first? Yes, it's true. I want Manju to mark me. Please give US the permission. Perhaps is it too presumptuous of me to ask? No, it's just that I'm surprised. I was certain you wouldn't want to. I thought the situation was in my favor. TCH. Papa, what are you going to say now? I'm the guardian, not you, Manju. Papa, when you were always busy, Hyun was the one who was with me. If Hyun weren't there, do you think I would have grown up all right? Glance. Well, it's true that we were always alone in that empty house. If it weren't for me, Manju would have been completely alone. Maybe that's why she became so obsessed with me. Haha. Well, alright, I'll allow it. Surprise. How could I convince you with how stubborn you are? But then you will have to tell your grandmother yourself. Sure, I'll tell her after marking. Shine. Is that okay? Huh. From whom did she get that stubborn personality? Sits down. She won't listen to me even if I try, so let me ask you at least one thing. From now on, have Manju attend the family reunions? Yes, of course. Don't worry. Nod. I'm sure she'll listen to you, so I don't think she will still miss. Very well, so, when is the wedding? Why are you already talking about marriage? Nervous. The wedding will take place after HAYOON graduates. Yeah, right. I have to graduate first. Sweat. Phew. So in the meantime, we better get secretly engaged. What? No, you must marry first. Firm. Shocked. But then school will not be able to go normally. Wait. Ignorant blah blah blah. Neither of you are listening to me. Newcomer. Puff. Stubborn. Everyone in this family is just as weird. Why did we come to the school? It's close to the office, and we haven't been here for a long time. We haven't been here since graduation. Everything looks the same as it was before. Nothing has changed. Let's go over there. Why to the backyard? It's been so long since we've been here. Yeah, I already remember. I remembered the expression that Cha Manju had back then. If you're really like me, from now on pretend that you don't know me. Please. Okay, I will if that's what you want. I will do whatever you ask of me. I will wait for you. When you crossed the line that day, I couldn't do it because I was too scared. And yet you've been waiting for me all this time. Manju. But I know, now it is my turn to answer you. You who have always waited for me and believed in me. Step. I'm sorry for taking so long to say it. But if you forgive me, I love you, Manju. I love you too. This time I'll take your hand and jump with you. Squeeze. Let's cross the line called best friends. Thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.